Welcome here to Florida State Forest in the Panhandle of Florida. We're at the Blackwater River Recreation area, water management area. Join me as we go around the lake. I actually camped here a couple days. Well, we'll see y'all through the video. Well, I've made it back to Hurricane Lake here in the Blackwater, I guess you call it reserve, swamp, whatever it is down here. There's 18 camping spots here by this lake on the south side and about the same on the north side. But the first two are walk-ins, the other are by reservation online. I'll put a link into the where you go on lake, but here it is, Hurricane Lake. Not allowed to have a gas motor in here, trolling motor only. Drive around over to our camp. I'll stay outside of the paid fee area over in the outside. These are all primitive. They do have bathrooms right here, right there, if you can see it through the sun. I'm just going to circle back in here. I'm going to go to the camp, get more pictures over there and more video. on the way back to camp. We'll still be on the lake. Even though they all are primitive camp spots, this is a little bit away from the pay area. This is where I stayed last time I was here. Also, meeting up with my older brother Ray. He's out here. He's a fishing machine now. He loves to fish. If there's water around, he's gonna have his pole in the water. This road goes all the way around this lake, all the way to the north side, where there's more camping, paid camping up there too. Same thing, they got 2 marked as walk-ins and the rest are by reservations. Now up there they have bathrooms and they have showers, so. Lake out there. That's my brother Ray. Hit you on the other side. Yeah, y'all see right out here. There's hornet's nest right there. Whoo, it's a big one.